Hey everybody, welcome back to Channel Style. Today I am going to finally dig into this Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette. How many times did I say I was going to use this? How many times that I did not use it? So this is what it looks like. If you missed my haul, I actually have two of these, so guys, let me know if you want me to do a giveaway with one of them, because I'm almost reaching 300. So, yeah. Alright, so clearly I don't know how to stay in frickin' frame because I cannot save my glasses. But anyways, I pointed to the shade I was going to use, and I'm pretty much going to put it onto the inner half of my lid, and then I'm going to put a different color on the other half of my lid, and you will see which color that is. So, that is what I'm doing here. I'm sorry that you cannot see it. Alrighty, so I pointed to the color I was using again, which is like a dark brown black, and I really just wanted to smudge it out a little bit, so I'm using that on the outer portion of my lid, and then I'm putting it up a little bit onto the crease just to give it a little bit of more dimension. So that is what I'm doing here. Again, sorry if you cannot see it. Do you see how excited I am to use this product? Now, not so much slash ever again, because now I have to take a break in doing tutorials because my lids done screwed up and they're all cracky and not smooth and not cute. So, if you don't see another tutorial like this in a minute, it's because I'm trying to give my eyelids time to heal. Depressing. Pretty people, that is the finished look. Let me try and zoom in. And that is about it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Show Style. Bye, pretty people.